Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. This will be part 2-ish of my unboxing where I get more updated equipment for my channel. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I am setting up for my next alphabet series video, and I usually record those in my bathroom, which you can see here. Remember I told y'all I work in like a very confined space and this is the confined space that I work in. So let me back up a little bit. Like, this is the entire bathroom, like, for the workspace. And this is the blue shower curtain that you normally see most of the time. My stand-up shower with no tub is right behind that. This is the closet door, of which most times I'm recording in front of. And then this is like the toilet door, which I usually do not record in front of. It don't make a difference. Both of them is the same doors, but I usually record in front of this one. And I do have a double sink with a fair amount of counter space. But you can see overall, this is a very small space to work in. And y'all, when I'm actually recording, I got products all over the place and trying to work with the small ring light that I had before and trying to work with these lights up here and then that window right there. Y'all, I be trying to put it together. But in my previous unboxing video, I got my ring light and the stand and the camera holder and all of that. But today, I got this. Ladies and gentlemen, my intention was to show me like unboxing and putting this tea stand together. But if you saw my last video and you saw the netting that I had to put together for the backyard shenanigans video to try to save my strawberries, I wasn't even able to show that either because the process was a hot mess. It took way too long. And I'm not trying to go through that again with this. So I'm going to just throw some little snapshot pictures in. But we're going to put this thing together so I can get to my next alphabet series video, which is the letter L. And did you guess what the brand is? All right, y'all. I decided to try to see how I could record this to show you. So this is our product. And let me see. Is labeled as T-shaped portable background something stand with 4 spring clamps. And so that's what I got. Let me see if you can see that in here. I don't know if it's focusing, but that's what I purchased. So I'm gonna just take my little scissors. We're gonna cut this open. Y'all, and I don't know if I'm actually gonna upload this or whatever, but all right, here is what it looks like opening it up. And again, it's the T-shaped backdrop stand kit, and it even comes with a user manual. Thank you, because y'all know how I am. I need the user manuals, and it has tell you what's in the package and then installation. So we gonna check and make sure we have everything. I like that it comes in a case, so that's a plus right there. I appreciate that. We do have 4 clamps. Okay, so this is the sandbag. So this is the sandbag, so you can help keep it in place. And I'll put pictures of all of these in case I end up not recording this. But so that's, I don't know what you can put, like. You could put like a pound of sand or something in here. Maybe a pound on each side. 2 pounds on each side. So this is the sandbag. Now let's open this bad boy up. Velcro. Little straps, that's nice. I don't want to drop nothing. All right. We got this in a bubble wrap. They feel like they have something else in here. This might be the T-bar part. This might be the T-bar part. So let's see. And all right, nothing else in here. So I don't want to open it up without reading the directions, y'all, because I don't want to open it up and mess with it too much without reading the directions, because I'm liable to break it before I even get started with it. So this looks like the main part. And then this looks like the T-bar part. All right, so as far as it says, oh wait, y'all, let me start with number 1. High quality memory, stable structure, strong support. Now, lightweight, compact, portable, and 5 workmanship. Lightweight part, compact, and portable part. I'll give it 5 workmanship. You see, wide range of uses, suitable for muslin, suitable for muslin, canvas, and paper backgrounds. That's good. Very easy to assemble and disassemble. All right. It says the max height is 6.7 feet. The minimum height is 32.28 inches. That's a little bit less than 3 feet. The full height is 26.67 inches, and it's a fixed width of 3 feet. And then the installation instructions. It says move the butterfly screw from the background stand, and this is the butterfly screw. So we're going to remove that from the stand like it says. And it says align the holes as shown and connect A rod with B rod. These not really labeled A and B that I could see. I mean, but I only got 2. So one got to be A and one got to be B. All right. So that's that. And then it says insert the connected A plus B rods onto the background stand. It just fits down like this. And then secure the connected rods by reattaching the butterfly screw. Then it says your T background support is now ready for the attachment. Don't we have to like extend this first? It says attach the green screen, canvas, muslin, cotton, paper, or PVC background onto T background support with clamps. But hold on, but how we... Wait, don't we supposed to extend something first though, y'all? Did I miss something? Hold on, let me see. All right, so I'm loosening this up. Y'all see, this is why I don't do no assembly videos like this. Like hold on, y'all. Wait, let me just hold up. Oops. See, this is exactly why I don't do these assembly videos, y'all. I might unbox it, but we ain't gonna assemble it. Okay, I think I figured out the bottom. All right, let me. Okay, this what the, ooh, Lord. All right, this what the bottom look like. You push this part down and then make the legs come out. And then you tighten it up like with this. So, all right, this is the stand. And this is, I guess this about as high as I would need it. It's about to the top of my shower. So, let me drape something on here and see what we got. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my setup is complete. As you can see, I have my clamps up here. They are holding my backdrop. I did have to open up my closet door so I can put one of the legs of like the tripod stand back into the closet so it can be just, you know, kind of flush with the wall. But this height is good for me if I'm standing up and recording, and then it's also gonna suit my needs when I'm sitting down, which is the majority of the time. Of course, I'm going to rearrange the position and stuff of my camera so you don't see my blue shower curtain unless that's what the video called for. And I usually do my face care and skincare stuff this way, so you see the shower curtain. But you know, we'll see. I'll adjust some things, work on some things, but this stand, I mean, I'm not gonna touch it. I don't want to knock it over or nothing like that. But you know, it seemed to be, I mean, it seemed to be okay. It is 3 feet wide, and I thought that was gonna be, you know, kind of narrow. But I mean, look at all of this space that I have, that I can move and adjust my camera and still be in frame just on the background and not with my blue shower curtain in the way. So it's wide enough. I have little tricks and stuff I can do if I need to make the width, you know, if I need to give myself a little bit more space. You know, I got some tricks and stuff, and you know, we zoom and crop, so that'll be good. Like I said, it's tall enough, it's wide enough, and we're gonna see. Now let me freshen up and get ready for that alphabet series video. It is the letter L. Nobody guessed, but you about to see in a little bit. That's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell. Hey, I got a little something, y'all. A little something. And share with everyone you know. Until next time, bye.